everybody, welcome back. Today I have another subject for you. There was a question, Frank, can you make this bike run? It's an old Suzuki GSX750ES and it has been sitting in a barn for quite a while. It was stored dry by the looks of it, so yeah, okay. So I took it home. I'll show you the bike first. This is the bike. There you go, Suzuki. It's not in too bad a shape, for as far as I can tell. Let's have a look if I can. Yeah, okay. It's not in a bad shape, but it has been sitting for a while, as I already said. Well, the first thing, of course, is they have charged the battery. The battery was fully charged, so that's okay. I went on and pushed the starter button, and the only thing happening was a distinctive click on the solenoid. So I assumed the solenoid was working. But the starter motor did not turn over. So what I did then is I checked. So when I hit the starter button, the solenoid was working, and there was battery voltage on this connection. So that was alright. The starter motor did not work, so I addressed my attention to the starter motor and I measured the resistance between the positive lead going to the starter motor and ground. And there I encountered an infinite resistance. So that means that the brushes did not, or one of the brushes did not have any contact with the commutator. At least that is the most obvious thing. So what we did then is we took the starter motor out and we took it apart, and that's how far I got so far. I'm going to show you later on how it looks. Right now I'm waiting for parts. I already ordered the brushes, so yeah, let's take it from there later on. Thank you.